Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hulu not working on Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe Hulu isn't loading for you, or maybe the TVs or movies on Hulu aren't streaming for you. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now, I'm going to be going over a variety of different solutions that you can try out in order to fix Hulu not working on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, the first thing that you can do is that you could actually unplug and replug in your TV. Now, as simple as this sounds, guys, this actually does wonders in getting your TV to do a soft reset, and this might actually work. The key thing here is that once you unplug your TV, you want to leave it unplugged for about a minute and then replug it back in. After you do that, check if your Hulu app now works. But if it doesn't, the next thing that you can do is that you could actually delete your Hulu app. So in order to delete it, the way I do it is that if I go all the way to the left and then click on this apps button, and then in this apps button, you want to click on the settings button on the upper right hand side. And then from here, you want to find your Hulu app. So once you find your Hulu app, you're going to delete it from your Samsung Smart TV. So here we have our Hulu app. You're just going to click on delete. And then once you delete the Hulu app, you're going to reinstall it. Now, your settings or visuals might look different from mine depending on what model of Samsung TV that you have. But deleting and then reinstalling a Hulu app is one good way to try and get it to fix and work on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, the other thing that you can do is that you can click on your home button on your Samsung Smart TV. And then from here, you can scroll all the way to the left until where it says settings. Now, on this page here, you want to click on general. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says reset. So what this is going to do is that it's going to do a factory reset of your Samsung Smart TV, meaning that all the settings will return to factory defaults. So you can try this out as well in order to get your Hulu app to work. The other thing that you can do is that on the same tab here, underneath general, you want to click on support, and then you can click on software update. Now, in most cases, people's TVs automatically update, okay? Meaning that once their TV turns off and that there's a new update, it's going to automatically update. But if for some reason you've set your TV to manual update, then this would be a good option to check as well. Now, the last thing that you can do is that this is more in the case in which your Hulu app is working, but it's not like streaming anything. You can simply go onto your Hulu app and then sign out and then sign back in. But with that being said though, it might also be due to a network issue in the case in which maybe your internet isn't working. If that's the case, then you would just need to unplug and replug in back your Wi-Fi router. But that essentially, guys, is how to fix Hulu not working on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.